Good morning. Happy Tuesday. It's April 14th and it's an A day. Just a reminder for those of you that need it, you should be staying at your homes. You can go out for walks, get some fresh air, but you should not be seeing your friends. You should not be playing soccer. You need to stick home with your family. Today we're going to go over the graphic organizer from yesterday, and we are going to start our writing piece, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. You may need to watch this video a couple of times, but here it goes. So today our goal is I will be able to support my opinion with facts, and I will be able to write an opinion paragraph and support it with facts. That's the goal for today. So now let's go back to yesterday. Yesterday you had a graphic organizer and it looked like this. Your job was to fill it in. Your opinion, your reason why, and your two facts to support it with some way that you could prove or verify. So hopefully you completed that yesterday. If you did, you're going to need it today to help you with the next step. I'm going to show you mine, which we did yesterday. Mine said, I chose a different example. Mine said students should not have to do homework outside of school. That's my opinion. It's not really my opinion, but we're pretending that's my opinion. The reason why I said because kids are already busy outside of school. Then I needed to have two facts to support it. Well, my first fact is that many students have part-time jobs or have to watch their younger siblings when they get home. And doing a lot of homework is hard. The second fact I had for support is that there are many activities that kids participate in outside of school. So, I spelled school wrong. Oops. So the next part I have to do is I have to show how could I prove this? Well, how could I verify that? Well, you see a lot of teenagers working at local places like Sun Foods and Walmart. So I can prove it by going to the store and seeing how many young people are working. I can also prove that there's a lot of activities because I can just take a look at the sports and the club schedules that we have at Humboldt to know that kids are involved. So today the goal is to write an opinion piece about the topic. And you're going to be writing a paragraph that uses facts, and you need this organizer to help you. So let's go ahead and we're going to look at some sentence starters, and we're going to look at an example. So let's go back to our graphic organizer. Here is an example that I wrote. Let's take a look. It says, first thing that we have to do is we need to state our opinion, and you need to do it in a complete sentence. So I wrote, I believe that students should not have to do homework outside of school. We saw that here in my example. When I wrote my example, oopsies, wherever it did go, I wrote it here in my example. Here it is. This was already my opinion. Sorry, this was my opinion. So that's my first sentence. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give my reason why. So let's go back. Give your reason why. I said the reason that I believe this is because students have a lot of other things to do outside of the school day. Okay, so I've got my opinion and my reason. Now I have to do my first and my second fact. So let's go back. Let's look at what my first fact was. I said, first fact, many students have part-time jobs or have to watch younger siblings. So let's see what I did here. I said, for example. So I started with for example, transition word. Many students have jobs or have to watch their younger siblings. So that's my first fact. How could I prove that? Well, my proof was that this can be verified. Verified again means proven or shown by seeing how many teenagers are working at places like Sun Foods or Walmart, or by how many parents have jobs and have to leave their younger children with older siblings. So that's my proof for my first fact. Now I have to go to my second fact. So back to my organizer I go. My second fact for support was, there are many activities kids participate in outside of school. And where can you verify it? Sports and club schedules. So let's see how that paragraph went. Another example is because many students have summer activities like sports or clubs. This can be verified by how many kids are on sports teams or are participating in after-school activities. That's my second fact and my reason for it. The final thing we have to do is we have to make what we call the conclusion. Now, there's not a conclusion on your graphic organizer, but you have enough information here to write it. So I started with this. I said, for these reasons, students should not have to do homework outside of the regular school day. So I restated the opinion that I already gave. So here's how this is going to look for you. I have listed here for you some sentence starters, and you are going to use your graphic organizer and you're going to put together complete sentences making an opinion paragraph. Please use the sentence frames that I give you, or you might find this to be kind of confusing. You can type this in Google Docs, you can handwrite it and take a picture, but you do need to upload it to Schoology. If you have any questions, please let me know. All right, that's it. Good luck, everybody.